Hello everyone, welcome to Monica and Doodle channel, and I'm very happy to see you here. And I just want to tell you that I have a lot of ring orders coming through now, and I thought this is so demanding right now. I must show you how I'm making it, and it's gonna be very quick and very easy tutorial how to make a resin ring with gold leaf embellishments. So if you are into resin art, I'm definitely sure you will find this interesting. And without other ado, I think we can start. But before that, I want to ask you, if you really like these craftsy jewelry making videos, don't forget to subscribe, because I can promise you will be much more of that. So let's dig into ring making now. Okay, let's begin. So firstly, the most important bit is to make sure that your resin silicone mold is absolutely clean. And now we can pour the resin. I'm using UV resin because I just have no patience for the ordinary one and I want it cured quickly. Well, now as you see, this is not eyeshadows, no it is not, but you can use those as well. This is mica powders, and I'm using white now because I wanted something kind of pearly look, because I don't know, for some reason I'm very into pearls lately. I cannot explain that. Anyways, I'm using just a little bit, and now using a toothpick I'm trying to mix it all up into the mold. And try to go slowly. I just speeded it up. I was going very slowly just because if you will be very quick, you may produce too much bubbles. And bubbles usually means that your jewelry, your design will not be as durable. So make sure you try to avoid as many bubbles as you can. And if you have one odd one, you can use a lighter and just burn it around so the bubbles will pop out on the top. And now it is a gold leaf. I'm not sure it's actual gold or maybe it's copper, but I'm using it. I really like it, and this design sells very well in my Etsy shop. So if you would like that one as well, like right now right here, I will leave link below in the description box so you can check it out. But for now, what I wanted to say that it's just about to be finished. I put my gold leaf inside and now I'm just using my UV lamp. Yes, I know it's very quick video now and I shouldn't be interrupting this already very intriguing process, but please don't forget to press this button and this long red button as well, so you would really help my channel to grow. Thank you, and let's continue. And look at that, now it's cured and it looks absolutely ugly. Yes, I know, but it's not the end of the world, believe me. We just need to sand it. It's very simple. I'm using wet sanding paper and wet sanding technique just because I don't want any dust stuck inside. And make sure all around, inside, outside, everything is very smooth if you're doing so it will be nice to wear. Yeah, you see how much difference can make a little sanding. Now we can finish it. And if you're thinking what I'm doing with this ugly card, well, it is sellotape on top, sticky side up, and I'm just putting slightly my ring on top so it keeps in the same place, and I find it much easier to work with. And not everyone does that, I know, but I like to cover on top a little layer of clear resin on my sanded edges so I have all the way round gloss finish. This is just what I like. I know I'm a little bit too prestigious, not prestigious, pristine, precise. Yes, precise. I'm too much precise sometimes, I know. I have this disease, but well, you know, I'd rather make it too good than too bad. Sorry. Yeah, okay, enough bragging. And if you haven't got this fancy schmancy light, you can use your nail curing machine because it's same UV light. And if you haven't got that one, just leave your creature on the window till when a day is sunny and it will cure in a couple hours, I think. So I hope you liked it and see you next time then. Bye!